Hello students, today I am going to start the question with answer NEET question paper 2013 to 2024. This is the third part, that is the cell cycle and cell division chapter. First question, a stage in cell division is shown in this figure. Select the answer which gives correct identification of the stage is characteristics. This is the structure. It is the structure of actually cell division. So the correct answer is, it is actually a stage of actually telophase, okay, where the nuclear envelope is reformed and the Golgi complex also reform, okay. Next question, meiosis takes place. Meiosis actually takes place in myocyte stage, where it is a type of cell where the cells are divided to form gametes by meiotic division or reductional division, okay. Next question, 2016. Spindle fiber attached on in. Spindle fiber is actually attached with kinetochore of chromosome during metaphase stage. Next question, in meiosis, crossing over is initiated at, crossing over is always resemble with Peckytin stage of meiotic 1 division 1. In this Peckytin stage, the synaptonomial complexes occur where exchange of genetic material between the homologous chromosomes takes place. Next question, number 5. Which of the following is not a characteristic features during mitosis in somatic cell? From this option, synapsis. Synapsis is not present in mitotic division. It is always present in only meiotic division. Next question, during cell growth, DNA synthesis takes place in cell growth. DNA synthesis always takes place in synthesis phase, okay, synthesis phase of interphase of cell cycle, okay. It is present in between the growth 1 phase and growth 2 phase, S phase or synthesis phase. Next, matching column 1 with T2. Number 1, Peckytin stage. It is actually Peckytin stage is always takes place in the crossing over, okay. Next, metaphase 2 is always takes place in the chromosome aligned at the equator. Meta means midline, okay. The chromosomes are present in the midline or equatorial plane. Next, dikinesis is actually terminalization of chiasmata. Chiasmata is terminalized in this dikinesis stage of meiosis 1, okay. Next, zygote stage, it is actually pairing of homologous chromosome. So option number B is correct. Next question, 2017. DNA replication in bacteria occur in bacteria is a prokaryote, so it is occur in a pair prior of fission. If it is eukaryotic cell, then it is occur in S phase stage of DNA replication, okay. Next question, anaphase promoting complex. APC is a protein degrading machinery necessary for proper mitosis of a animal cell. It is also called as cytosome, actually cytosome, and this APC is defective in a human cell. Which of the following is expected to occur? Option number B is correct. Chromosome will not segregate. There have no any segregation or separation of chromosome in this stage. Next question, which of the following option gives the correct sequence of event during mitosis? During mitosis, actually option number A is correct, where the condensation, nuclear membrane disassembly, arrangement of equator, centromere division, segregation and telophase. This is the correct option during the mitosis stage, okay. Next question, 2018. The stage during which separation of the paired homologous chromosome begins. So paired homologous chromosome always begin in the prophase 1 of meiotic division, that is a diplotin stage, okay. Next question, 2019. Correct the sequence of phase of cell cycle. The sequence of cell cycle is always, remember, G1 means growth 1 phase, then second one is S or synthesis phase, then third one is G2 or growth 2 phase, and fourth one is M or mitotic phase, and last one is also a stage is present, that is the C phase or cytokinesis phase, okay. Next question, cell in xenose phase. Xenose phase is also called as quiescent phase or the resting phase, where the neither dividing nor prepare for DNA, or my M phase is start, nor preparing for DNA synthesis, okay. It is actually, the correct answer is, it is the exit of cell cycle, okay. There have no any entering of cell cycle, no suspended of cell cycle, no termination of cell cycle. It is the exit of cell cycle. Next, question number 14. Matching group 1 to group 2, that is zygote stage is occur in synapsis, okay, synaptonomial complex or zygote stage, that is synapsis or crossing over is takes place. Next, Peckytin stage, crossing over. Zygote stage is a synapsis means before crossing over, and Peckytin stage crossing over takes place. Before crossing over, synapsis is occur. That means synapsis means the chromosomes are paired in similar types of chromosomes are pairing start, that is synapsis. Next, diplotin is a chiasmata is formed in this diplotin stage, then dikinesis occurs, terminalization occur in this dikinesis stage. So actual answer is option number C. Next question, 2020, identify the correct statement with regards to G1 phase or gap 1 phase in interphase. So correct answer is cell is metabolically active, grows but does not replicate its DNA. There have no any replication in this phase, means G1 or gap 1 phase in cell cycle. Next question, 16, some dividing cell exit the cell cycle and enter vegetative inactive stage. This is called S phase or synthesis phase, where dividing cell is exits but and enter a vegetative inactive stage, means they have no any cell division. Actual true means they have no any M phase. Okay. Next question, 17, dissolution of cyanoterminal complex occur during diplotin stage. Okay, diplotin stage, that is it is the fourth stage of prophase 1, that is chiasmata formation. Next question, 18, the centriole undergo duplication during S phase of interphase. Next question, which of the following stages of meiosis involve division of centromere? It is actually anaphase 2 of centromere, where separation of chromatids moves towards the opposite direction, that is in anaphase 2. Next, matching list 1 with list 2, that is list 1 S phase is always involved in DNA replication, then G2 phase where proteins are synthesized, then quiescent phase or gap G0 phase is a inactive phase, then G1 phase is the interval between mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. Next question, 21, the fruit fly has 8 chromosomes, that means twice n in each cell. During interphase of mitosis, if the number of chromosomes at G1 phase is 8, what would be the number of chromosomes after S phase? Remember, it actually the amount of DNA is increases in this phase. There have no any number of chromosomes is increases, only concentration of DNA is increases. That's why the number of chromosomes is same as in G1 and S phase, means 8. Okay. Next question, which stage of meiotic prophase shows terminalization of chiasmata as its distinctive features? It is actually dikinesis stage. Okay. Next question, 2022, which one of the following never occur during mitotic cell division? In mitotic cell division, there have no any pairing of homologous chromosome. It is actually present in meiosis division. There have no any homologous chromosome or crossing over takes place. Okay, in mitotic cell division. Next question, the appearance of recombination nodule on the homologous chromosome during meiosis characteristic. It is the characteristic site of each crossing over takes place in between two non-sister chromatids. It is actually present in pectine stage of meiosis 1, prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Okay. Next question, select the incorrect statement with reference to mitosis. To mitosis, spindle fiber attached to the centromere of chromosomes. Next question, 26, regarding meiosis, which of the statement is incorrect? This statement is incorrect. DNA replication occur in S phase of meiosis 1. DNA replication is not occurring in S phase. Okay, it is actually occurring G2 phase. Next, 23, 2023, which of the following stages of meiosis involve division of centromere? So it is correct answer is anaphase 2, where chromosome number is reduced, but where the sister two halves of chromatids are separated in anaphase stage. The chromatids are separated from opposite pole. Okay, in this phase. Next, the process of appearance of recombination nodule occur at which substage of prophase 1 in meiosis? It is pectine stage. Okay, where crossing over takes place. Next, among eukaryotes, replication of DNA takes place. It is eukaryotes replication takes place in S phase. Okay, or synthesis phase. Next, match list 1 with 2. M phase is M means midline, or it is a equational division. Next, G2 phase is where proteins are synthesized. Next, quiescent stage is a inactive phase. Next, G1 phase is a interval between the mitosis and initiation of DNA replication. Next, given below are two statements. Statement 1, during G0 phase of cell cycle, cell is metabolically inactive. It is actually wrong statement. Okay, metabolically inactive during G0 phase of cell cycle, cell is metabolically inactive. Actually, metabolically it is active stage. Next, statement 2, the centrosomes undergo duplication during S phase of interphase. It is correct. Centrosome undergo duplication during S phase or synthesis phase of interphase. Okay, the correct answer is statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Next question, select the correct statement. Tetrad formation is seen during leptotin. During anaphase, the centromere splits, chromatids separate. Next, termination takes place during pectitin. Next, crossing over takes place between sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. Next, nucleolus, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum are refounded during telophase. Correct option is B and D. Only B and D are correct option. Okay, during anaphase, centromere splits and chromatids separate. Next, crossing over takes place between the sister chromatid of homologous chromosome. Next, 2024 gives below are two statements. 1. Chromosomes between gradually visible under light microscope during leptotin stage. This is correct. Okay. Next, statement 2. The beginning of diplotin stage is recognized by dissolution of synaptonymal complex. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct. So option number C is correct. Next, spindle fiber attached to the kinetochore of chromosome during spindle fiber always attached kinetochore in the M phase or metaphase stage. Okay. Next, list match list 1 with 2, that is the dikinesis is a completion of terminalization of chiasmata, and pectitin stage is the appearance of recombination of nodules where crossing over takes place. Next, zygotin stage is a synaptonymal complex is formed, and leptotin stage chromosomes look like thin threads. So option number A is correct. Next question, following are the stage of cell division. So here the sequence is B is correct. That means gap 1 phase, first gap 1 phase, then second synthesis phase, then third gap phase 2, then fourth karyokinesis, then fifth cytokinesis. So these are all about the question with answer of NEET question paper 2013 to 24 chapter cell cycle and cell division. So hope you are all like this video. Thank you.